Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw form data into a mobile app using Glide, full guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Glide website. Log into your Glide account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once you are logged in, select the project where you want to withdraw form data. If you don't have a project yet, click on New Project to create one. In the project dashboard, go to the Data tab located at the top of the screen. Here, you will see the data structure of your app. To set up a form, click on the Forms tab on the left sidebar. Click the plus New Form button on the right side of the screen. Name your form and start adding fields according to the data you want to collect. You can add various field types, such as text, number, date, and multiple choice. Once your form is set up, click on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Ensure that the Submit Data option is enabled so the form can send data to your app. Next, go back to the Data tab to view where the submitted data will be stored. In the Data section, create a new sheet where the form responses will be saved. Link this new sheet to your form by selecting it in the Form settings. After that, return to your app interface and navigate to the screen where users will access the form. Drag and drop the form component onto the desired screen. Customize the appearance of the form component to fit your app's design. Make sure to test the form by switching to preview mode and filling it out. Once you submit the form, check the data sheet to ensure the responses are recorded correctly. If necessary, make adjustments to the form or data settings based on your testing. After ensuring everything works as expected, your mobile app is now ready to gather form data. You can now publish your app and share it with your users. Encourage users to fill out the form to collect essential insights for your project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.